Guys, today we'll talk about how can you earn with invite your friends on your Kickwin app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this photo here or this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on River program here. So then it's going to take us to this list. You just switch in here to open video, so it's going to take a time to open with you here this list. Like you see, it's going to uh, download with us here. So then it's going to show for us a list like this, and here can you go get this code here or this link. Then can you give it to your friends when they enter to this link, or and add this code here. Then you will get your errand on your Kickwin app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.